Hey everyone, it's Amanda with Americana Gardens, and today I am inside my home and I am repotting my succulent and cacti table. So I will actually be doing a tour of all my cacti and succulents, but first I will be doing a haul of some new plants that I got. And actually during my last shopping trip I scored a few, so I'm excited to share that with you all. And I'm going to be working on some repotting of some of my succulents here, so hang around. From Proven Winners, their Leaf Joy line that they have in Home Depot. They might have it in other stores too, but just like where I'm at, it's in Home Depot only. Alocasia longiloba, and I mean it's not even in my frame, but like look at that leaf. Okay, so this leaf is right next to my face. Can you see how huge that leaf is? This has to be the biggest leaf in my collection, and it was one of the reasons why I got it. I was like, the leaf size is tons of new growth coming out, leaves unfurling. It's a really healthy plant, and it has like the darker stems too, but it kind of reminds me of an Alocasia poly, the top of it, but it doesn't have the maroon undersides like a poly would. But this is definitely like a statement plant in my collection, so I'm very happy I got it, and I love alocasias. Alright, and this is actually one that I got from Lowe's store. This is actually from Live Trends, their Live Trends line from Costa Farms, and I thought like the intricacy of this cactus was so fun. It kind of, it looks like little fireworks going off. I hope you could kind of get that vibe from there. What I'm going to do today is actually I'm going to get rid of this moss that's on here, because I'm going to put some stone around it, which I think is more appropriate to have around a cactus, not moss. I didn't say this already. This is the Mammillaria elongata. It is also known as the lady's finger. And it's not like pokey either. I mean, it has a little bit kind of like a Velcro feel, but it's not like really like pokey or anything. And if you look here at like the very tippy tops there, it has like a red hue to it from the spines. It's really cool. It's a neat little plant. Okay, and this is the last cactus that I got. I got this one at Home Depot. It's from the Pure View succulent line that they started carrying, at least at my store, this year. So that was like a neat find. It's called the Cuddly Cactus, and as you can see, there's no spines, so I guess that's why they call it cuddly, because you know, you could touch it and not worry about getting those like fiberglass like splinters in your body. The name, the proper name of it, let's see. I'm going to put this on the screen. I actually had to Google it. I wasn't sure. Cereus gemmicaru. That's I'm pronouncing it correctly. But yeah, the cuddly cactus, and I love it because it's just like another statement piece. It came in a different pot. The pot I'm going to be using for other plants, this one is like more texture type of it's not terracotta clay, it's clay, and it goes where, like right here on my table, that's where I usually keep my cactus and my succulents, so it kind of like goes with that vibe over there. And so I'm gonna like put some stones up on it and stuff. And this ottoman, I actually just sit on the floor and like work on this ottoman, but this is all the plants and pots that I'm going to be using today. I got from The Next Gardener, and these are here I got from The Next Gardener as well. I have a discount code for them, so you can go check them out. Link is down below. You get 15% off if you use the code if you buy anything. So I have this. First I'm going to tackle what I call the string of death, right? These are known as string of pearls, but yeah, this is like so, now they're a succulent, so but they're too dried out. Like, I mean, this is from drying out, and also I didn't get enough sunlight on the top of this when I first bought it, because it was like one of those hanging baskets, and I actually hung it up like kind of like where those balls right there are hanging on that rod, and it never got the sunlight from the top, so it started doing this balding, if you will. So yeah, I'm gonna take all that out and repot it into this pot right here, and I got a place for that. Then we're gonna do the moss removal and add stones and put them on my succulent table over there. I'm going to make a nice arrangement with some of these in this pot right here. Yeah, so first off, I'm going to start by putting some of this succulent soil in that I got from the Next Gardener. So my string of pearls has been completely repotted. It has no more like balding up top. I filled it all up. Has some nice long strands. I just want to say that the strands from before, like they were only bald up top, and then on the same strand it was like beautiful hanging down, but just bald up top. So I really just essentially cut that off. And let's see how it looks. I love how it just dangles down. Try not to get any of that caught. There we go. Ooh, that looks so nice. Yeah, very happy. And plus, because there's the window there, and we also have the new light here, that is actually going to get a lot of light on top and prevent it from like balding again. The next up will be this cactus here, and I'll do the cuddly cactus, and I'm gonna add these decorative stones on top. Well, that one's really pretty with like the blue stones in there. That's pretty. And I like to have different sizes too, just to add more dimension and depth to the display. But yeah, I don't know why they would put moss over a cactus. Let's get rid of that. Oh, is it glued? Don't tell me it's glued. Or, no. Alright. Ah, there we go. Give it some water too. There we go. Okay, it wasn't glued in. It was just like going around the pot, and then they shoved it in, so it felt like it was glued. But it's not. All the rest of this stuff off. See what we're working with. This pot doesn't have any drainage holes, which I actually like. So I'm actually just gonna put this back in here, and fill the bottom up with water so the cactus can soak it up from the bottom. There's this huge gap around the inner pot to the outside decorative pot, so I'm going to use these big, these larger stones, and hopefully I could kind of hide that. Hopefully, maybe. See how it goes. What do you guys think of the new repot there? I think that's so cool. Much better than the moss. Alright, now to repot the cuddly cactus. One of these rocks and put them around. Now there is like a little gape or gap between the interior pot and the exterior pot, like last time. So we'll just use the larger rocks to kind of camouflage that. Let's get some of these bad boys in there. So pretty. I gotta get the bigger ones, or else they're just gonna fall through. One of the reasons you want to try and cover like exposed soil and houseplants is so that house gnats, those black irritating flying things, don't get into the soil and lay their eggs. So yeah, putting like any type of topping actually prevents that. Alright, let's put this bad boy in its new home. Alright, I know it's nighttime out now, so I think tomorrow I'm actually just going to come down here and do the tour in the morning where you have nice light. Not reliant on the artificial lights to showcase the plants. So, but I like that pot and I like how it looks much better than prior. Looking good. Yeah, looking real good. Next one for the day is I'm going to choose some of these succulents here and arrange those. And again, there is a coupon code from the next gardener that I have, so you can check out what's on their website, and lots of rare succulents too, so really fun. But these are just some that I have left over. Not all of these are from the next gardener shop, but these two definitely are. I'm just gonna fill the bottom of this with some of these pebbles. These are just like aquarium pebbles, nothing special. This is gonna go in there. Voila! Alright. Using my hand. Why not? I actually have these sitting in water because that's how you bottom water them. They were pretty dry. All potted and ready to go for the most part. And I just have these. This is a Chloe right here. I have these echeverias down here. These are from these three right here. Actually, these four, excuse me, are from the next gardener. And again, I have a discount code with them. So if you want to check out their succulents, they have like rare varieties and fun things. And I have this peperomia that I think I can, oh yeah, I can definitely separate them and put them in this to add some height and like different textures and whatnot. I have this cutting of a Hoya Waiitii. I actually stuck it in my violet, my African violet pot, and I kind of forgot about it, so I kind of want to get it out of there and let it like you know, kind of like trail down. I have another one on my succulent table that has that feature. It's just not quite as long as this one, but I think that would be kind of cool. Alright, and this is the final display. Oh, I'm so happy with that. I don't mind the Hoya being hung over the edge like that. Very cool. I got all but one of the succulents in. Really nice with that peperomia. Peperomia is like a soft succulent. You don't really need to water it that much. So, or semi-succulent, I should say. Same with the Hoya. So, and I could always target water these. But I am overall very happy with the displays.